Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I hope you're all doing great. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated 2026 Chevrolet V8 pickup truck, a vehicle that blends American muscle with modern innovation like never before. Whether you're a die-hard Chevy fan or just shopping around for your next truck, you'll want to stick around for this one. We've got a lot to cover, everything from performance and towing to design, tech, and what sets this truck apart in a highly competitive segment. Let's start with what makes the heart of this truck beat: the engine. Chevrolet stays true to its roots by continuing to offer a powerful V8 option in the 2026 lineup. Under the hood, we're looking at a revised version of the legendary 6.2L EcoTech 3 V8, delivering a robust 430 horsepower and around 460 lb-ft of torque. That's paired with a new 10-speed automatic transmission that's been fine-tuned for smoother shifts and better fuel economy. Chevy claims improved throttle response and even a slight bump in efficiency compared to the 2025 model. Now, if you're into towing and hauling, this truck isn't going to let you down. The 2026 V8 model boasts a towing capacity of up to 13,200 pounds, depending on configuration, and a payload capacity of just over 2,200 pounds. That makes it one of the most capable trucks in its class. Whether you're hauling a trailer, a boat, or a bed full of supplies, this Chevy is built to get the job done with confidence. Moving on to design, Chevy has made some thoughtful updates this year. The exterior has been sharpened up with a more aggressive front grille, slimmer LED headlights, and reworked bumpers for a bolder stance. You'll notice new wheel designs, a more aerodynamic profile, and even active grille shutters that help reduce drag at highway speeds. The 2026 model is available in several new colors, including a deep metallic blue and a burnt orange that really turns heads. Inside, the cabin is where the 2026 Chevy V8 pickup truly elevates its game. High-quality materials, real metal and wood trim accents in the upper trims, and a redesigned center console that offers more storage and easier access to controls. The centerpiece is the new 13.4-inch infotainment touchscreen, running on GM's latest Google-based system. It's faster, more intuitive, and comes with built-in Google Assistant, Maps, and access to the Play Store. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, along with a fully digital 12.3-inch driver display that's customizable and packed with real-time data like towing performance, off-road settings, and navigation. For those who spend a lot of time behind the wheel, there's an available Super Cruise semi-autonomous driving system, now functional even while towing, a huge step forward in truck tech. When it comes to ride and handling, Chevrolet has worked to improve both comfort and control. The 2026 model benefits from a refined suspension system with better dampening, making the ride smoother even when the bed is loaded up. The optional magnetic ride control, previously exclusive to SUVs and sports cars, is now available on higher trims like the High Country and ZR2, offering adaptive damping based on road conditions and driver input. Speaking of the ZR2, off-roaders haven't been left out either. The 2026 ZR2 V8 comes with upgraded Multimatic DSSV dampers, front and rear locking differentials, skid plates, and 33-inch all-terrain tires. You also get enhanced ground clearance and a new off-road mode in the traction control system, which includes trail mapping and real-time telemetry for serious adventures. Fuel efficiency might not be top of mind for V8 lovers, but it's worth noting that Chevy has implemented cylinder deactivation and start-stop technology to help keep MPG in check. Expect around 17 mpg city and 22 mpg highway, which is respectable given the power and capability you're getting. Now let's talk pricing. The 2026 Chevrolet V8 pickup starts around $51,000 for the LT trim with the V8 option, and climbs from there depending on configuration and trim level. A fully loaded high country with all the bells and whistles including Super Cruise, 4WD, the panoramic sunroof, and premium audio can top out near $74,000. Chevy is also offering some limited time incentives and extended maintenance plans for early buyers, so if you're considering pulling the trigger, this might be the year to do it. So, who is this truck for? If you're looking for a powerful, full-size pickup that combines old-school V8 muscle with cutting-edge tech, comfort, and capability, the 2026 Chevrolet V8 pickup is a top contender. It stays true to Chevy's heritage while embracing the future, whether you're on the job site, towing on the weekend, or just cruising in style. That wraps up our full look at the 2026 Chevrolet V8 pickup truck. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming reviews and comparisons. Got questions about this truck or want to see how it stacks up against the F-150 or Ram 1500? Drop a comment below, we'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, drive safe and stay awesome.